Alright, what's up traders? It's Mark here coming at you with today's killer trading session. And all I can say is, wow, did the sellers come back with a vengeance. Alright guys and gals, we absolutely crushed it today with only two crystal clear setups, both of which took place in the morning, and it was basically off to the races after that. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark at DynoTrading, and what I strive to do every single day is teach all you guys and gals the power of a trend trading system and a trend trading style. In my humble opinion, there is nothing, and I mean nothing else in the world like it. All right? What I teach people is not a scalping system, not a top calling and bottom calling system, but instead a strategy that is laser focused, as you can see right here. And don't worry, we're going to go over both of these beautiful setups today, okay? We are laser focused on only looking for the best trading setups that take place every day. Sometimes we go a couple of days without any setups, but other times, as we did today, boy, do we absolutely crush it. Alright guys and gals, so let's get into it. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart of the NASDAQ, and don't worry, I also got the S&P queued up for all you S&P 500 lovers, but as you know, I personally love the NASDAQ. I firmly believe that if you want to find success in trading, you cannot be married to any one particular symbol. Right? We're not looking to fall in love, guys and gals, right? We're not looking to get married to any specific trading symbol, right? We are greedy savages, and we want to focus and trade those markets that have the highest probabilities of success while also giving us large, long trend moves, all right? And that is why I personally love the NASDAQ. And the good news is you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class, whether you trade Forex, whether you trade futures, or whether you trade stocks and options. The NASDAQ is on fire. Just trust me, okay? Now, what you're also seeing, okay, overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile, or what many of my customers refer to simply as the vol, okay? This green and red color band is designed to notify you of a potential trend change in either direction. All right, when it turns green, you'll get an alert that the buyers are in control. And ladies and gentlemen, when it turns red, as it did today at about 8:46 a.m., you can kind of see it turning red right there. Okay. When it turns red, that tells you that a potential trend change has taken place, and now the sellers are in control. And you should be on the lookout for shorts. All right? Shame on you if you tried to buy this market today when it was so clearly and obviously red. Right? We had the mother of all trends today. Now you guys know what's coming next, right? The way that I teach my clients and my professional traders to use this volume indicator is not on the color change. Okay? Yes, the color change is important to identify your trend bias for the day. You obviously want to know, are you going to play it long or short that day? Okay? But how you physically execute and enter a trade is where this indicator is really going to supercharge your technical analysis. All right, so let me get you dialed in here, okay? 1 second, let me get you dialed in here. When this color band is a certain color, all right, and you see it coming back to you, okay, you got to get your finger on the mouse button. Why? Because you're looking for a setup exactly like this. And you're looking for a setup exactly like this, right? What's so statistically significant about those two areas in the chart? Well, I'll tell you, okay? What's happening right here is there is something called a retracement or a pullback. And what that means is that the market is coming back to you and sort of faking out all of the retail amateur traders. And when I say faking out, I mean, you can see there's a couple of green bars here, right? It's kind of giving the impression that, hey, you know what? Maybe the market's going to rally a little bit until it smacks up strong and hard against this specific bar right here. All right, guys and gals, this is known as a textbook retracement, where you get a red reversal bar and that color bar has to match the color of the vol. All right, so red against red, check. Okay, and the high of this bar right here. All right, you see the high of this bar? The high of that bar has to be above the color band. Now, why is this important? Well, the high of this bar is where we place our potential stop loss, right? This is our safety net just in case this short trade does not go in our favor. Okay, so the trap has been set. Everything lines up perfectly. And what I would look to do is potentially go short on the open of the next bar. I place my stop loss exactly at this blue line here. This is the stop loss location. And then I wait. I wait to see if the market is going to pick up where it left off and keep trending down. And boy, were we rewarded today. In fact, we were rewarded twice. Let me go ahead and fit this back to scale here. 1 second. Let me zoom out. So we had this first setup here, guys, at 9 a.m. All right, this is the first signal that I just showed you. And we had a beautiful, even better, I would say, second setup at 10:19 a.m. So if you're not at your computer trading at 9 a.m. or 10:19 a.m., then I don't know what the heck you're doing, right? I don't know if you're on lunch, picking up the kids from school, who knows what you're doing, but you definitely ain't trading. And if that's the case, shame on you, all right? You've heard me say this a million times. There's so much opportunities just in the morning session. And guys, if we were to quantify this potential move, all right, this was 600 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex, okay, in just 3 hours. All right, and for those of you guys who want to know what that represents, I'll do simple math for you. 600 ticks times $5 a tick equals a potential $3,000 play just on one contract. Forget about 2 contracts or 4 contracts or anything higher than 4. I'm just talking about a lousy 1 lot. All right? Now look, I wish I could tell you every single day is going to look like this. It won't. All right? But as a professional trader, you've got to be prepared. You've got to have the discipline. You've got to have the stamina to watch these charts. This is your job. Right? And it's not like the market is asking you for a 10-hour commitment of time. Like I said, this particular setup only took 3 hours to play out today. All right, guys and gals. So look, all you guys that caught this move, and I know there were a lot of you out there. I read all your emails, text messages, phone calls, and voicemails. Thank you for leaving them. All right. I apologize if I can't get back to everybody, but rest assured, I appreciate and I'm thrilled that you guys are crushing it with this vol. Nothing makes me happier than knowing that. All right. And listen, I'm convinced that the volatility is now back with a vengeance. I think we're going to see moves like this almost on a daily basis over the next couple of months. And I can't wait to see what this market's going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.